Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to access the other computer without the permission. We need to first set the password so we can access the other system without the permission. So we simply enter the password of the other system, and after that we can access the system of the other user. So for setting the password, we need to the security setting. You need to unlock the security setting. And now before this, the option are disabled. After that, you see option are enabled in front of your screen. Now set the password, and I'm select the strong password because of this password everyone system and to set the strong password. As I'm set this password, now the password is set. Now we try to set the computer. Let's start. The password you need to set on the other computer, not on your computer. You need to set this password on other computer. So when you access the other computer from your system, then you enter the password you set on the other computer. Now we need to take the address of the other computer, 8148968339. Here you see the is online. If the other computer is on, so now in my I'm gonna show you how to on the if the other system is off. Let's connect with this system. Here you see it asks for the password. Now enter the password you set on the other computer. Which will show you the connect with the other computer and show you the other computer second. You should desktop screen. Now you access the other computer. If and guide the user how to use anything user face a kind of issue on that. So like installing any software and using kind of portal. Mostly this thing is AnyDesk used in the IDs companies where the user says that the computer and guide the thing which the other user is facing issue on how to use this. And I hope this video help you a lot. If you like my video, kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and share this video to others if anyone don't know how to set the password on the other computer, so you can access the other computer with the help of the password. Thank you.